Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The Borno State government has rescued 73 children who were linked to drug abuse and criminal activities from the streets and transferred them to the Bulmukutu rehabilitation centers in Maiduguri, the state capital. The children between age 12 and 15 years were not only abusing substance but also exposed to criminal activities in the state. The Commissioner of Women Affairs and Social Development, Zoira Gambo, led her team to the location and rescued the children. The Defense Minister has been asked to resign following deadly attack on military bases in Borno State. A northern civil group blamed his alleged political focus for the security lapses. Kano State High Court has dismissed the application filed by the former Kano State Governor Abdullahi Ganduje challenging the jurisdictions of the court to hear their case of alleged bribery and misappropriations. The Kano State government instituted an 11-count charge bordering on bribery, conspiracy, and diversions of public funds running into billions of naira against Ganduje and his wife Hafsat. Now in security, over 300 people including more than 100 military personnel and 200 civilians were killed by Boko Haram terrorists within 5 weeks, according to a new report by research expert at Next Year SPD. Nigerian troops stormed terrorist hideout in Sokoto and Zamfara forest, 6 terrorists eliminated and camps destroyed. Still on insecurity, over 20 Nigerian soldiers have been declared missing following attacks on a military base in Marte local government area of Borno State by heavy armed Boko Haram terrorists. Now politics. Abdul Aziz Yari, senator representing Zamfara West, says the recent defections of 3 senators from People's Democratic Party PDP to All Progressive Congress APC is a clear indication of the ruling party is growing strength in the northern Nigeria. Still on politics, former Secretary to the Federal Government Babajir David Lawal has dismissed concern that the recent decision by the People's Democratic Party PDP governors to reject merger will affect ongoing coalition talks involving Atiku others. Still on politics, Kwara State chapter of People's Democratic Party PDP has officially flagged off its membership registrations and revalidation exercise across 16 local government areas of the state. Now from the international scene, German authorities have arrested 3 men on suspicions of planning arson and explosive attack on railway freight transport in Germany on behalf of Russia, prosecutors said on Wednesday. German intelligence service believe Russian actors are hiring people to carry out sabotage operations across the country. Mali military government of Colonel Assimi Goïta has dissolved all political parties following days of protests and mounting of forced disappearance of opposition figures. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.